The markets appear to be fantastic. Amazing Bitcoin isn't finished. It will rise to $80,000. Can you imagine if we had previously seen a Bitcoin worth $100,000? Having oh my goodness, the targets have been altered. Bitcoin appears fantastic. It is set to blow up. We are going to see another push-up on it. We are going to witness a push-up on Ethereum as well, and we are going to witness an even bigger push-up on Solana and even XRP. People, I am so excited about this. Today, there is a lot to discuss. We will talk about the recent increase in Bitcoin prices, discuss the London Stock Exchange's plans, and then speculate. We will also discuss the new wave of ETFs that are heading to India. Which organizations are beginning to pay more for cryptocurrency assets? I understand you. Included all the necessary information. Without further ado, let's get right in and discuss why this is happening and how it will impact the very cryptocurrencies that you possess. Bitcoin, $723, it's up right now. 2.68% over the previous day, with Ethereum trading at $432. USD is still coming in as a dollar peg, even though it is up 2.09%. Since XRP is 99 and USDDC is 62 cents, it's not accomplishing much, then. Wants to be 63 cents, but during the last 30 days, it hasn't moved. We've gained 20%, hooray. I update you on the price of XRP daily, and I'm like, wow, it really does feel like this thing doesn't move. If we look back 90 days, it hasn't moved at all. It's up 36%, but rest assured, everyone, our time has come, and we do know what will occur. We're up 3. We've pretty much been flat over the last 3 months, so you know why it makes sense. The latest to move is XRP. I understand, I promise. I arrived here in 2017. I'm not concerned about it. What concerns me only right now, we're concentrating on the Bitcoin's price and its behavior before having it because this is the first time since then that Bitcoin has surpassed its all-time this is a positive before event, and the entire market capitalization of cryptocurrencies will rise even further. $2,714 billion at this point, in case you missed it. They're selling out quickly, you lies, scoundrel, so you better get yours now and lock it in. Get a few points off that deluxe list because, in around 20-something days, we'll be returning it. Individuals, no, April 1st isn't April Fool's Day, rather, it's XRP Payout Day. All of my Lux Lions holders, it's lovely to see everyone on the 1st of the month. We will be in month number 14 for distributions. Last month, almost $30,000 was returned. Due to the rise in Bitcoin, South Korea's stock market's co-trading volume total record of $11.47 trillion on March 8 was exceeded by the volume of cryptocurrency trading, which on Sunday was close to $12 trillion on the local cryptocurrency exchange. What are we witnessing, then, in the South Korea, and we are very optimistic about this, are witnessing a higher volume in the cryptocurrency markets than in their stock. You don't consider that bullish, do you? Do you recall South Korea from 2017 or 2018? It was they who introduced XRP to it. Reached a record-breaking high of $384, and what is known to have happened after that? Market capitalization of coins, they said, oh my god, we're going to remove this data since the figures are just too wildly out. Therefore, they removed the South Korean data that stated $384. People began to panic and go crazy when it appeared as though the price of XRP had collapsed to around $320 because they had no idea how high the cryptocurrency would have gone given that it was on fire. Was pushed, but when they noticed the drop in price from the South Korean pair to the USD pair, from $384 to about $320, they said, oh my god. This is on sale for 60 cents. Descending, and you are aware of what transpired. Everyone else left, there was a trickle-down effect, and people assumed that the situation had crashed and ended. As everyone began to leave, the following you are aware that we are discussing a 30-cent XRP. Yes, that is exactly how it happened. If you weren't present, but everyone, this time around, things will be different. Due to XRP's lack of security, shady actors are no longer present. The Livecoin and CoinMarketCap behind it keep an eye out so we can truly obtain ProTrue. These cryptocurrencies pricing feeds show that Bitcoin has surpassed its all-time high. Before experiencing thrilling occasions in the future, check out MERX, an Indian cryptocurrency investment platform which will allow Indian investors to purchase US Bitcoin ETFs. What was it I said? This post informs us that Indian investors may now purchase spot Bitcoin ETFs through MurderX, an Indian cryptocurrency investment platform. This is significant because, as we've discussed, this is merely another wave. We've witnessed the first wave of ETF applicants with Bitcoin ETFs being listed. These were the companies or investment vehicles with the guts to take the chance, even though they knew it would be risky. You never know how things will move forward or if there's going to be any interest. They show a great deal of interest. The price of the Bitcoin ETFs has increased since they were first released, and we will now be able to witness the people. These investing groups were kind of in the background. There will be an increase in ETFs as these investment-related nations that were previously in the background will begin to participate. Or more vehicles that permit the usage or acquisition of these ETFs, and it will grow as a result of what will it be delivered to us next. Ethereum ETFs will come first, then Ethereum ETFs. XRP ETFs are most likely going to be released. Then, ETFs consisting of baskets of cryptocurrency will be visible. ETFs will be the best option for institutional investors out there. The London Stock Exchange has said that it will begin to accept Ethereum and Bitcoin applications in the second quarter of 2024. Well, that's next quarter. This month, they plan to explore investing in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Every single one of them is on the way. There is no longer any resistance when one of them enters the market and offers an exchange-traded product or a product of institutional quality. Chad should release this. And this will factor into where this video is headed next. You may now see the significance of the ETF concept. After we obtain it, you will be able to transfer the real cryptocurrency asset into these funds. The funds will redeem your investment in shares, so if you own cryptocurrency worth $2 and the fund premium is $200, you have just been overcharged by 100 times your return. However, as we are now just dealing with cash creations on the ETFs, it is unclear what he means when he says that they will want your cryptocurrency to do poorly. He's talking about these institutional funds that are going to be available. I can give you the perfect illustration because we recently saw Solana. Of these funds, Richard Serrero is the last name named. If the XRP fund is trading at $50, they will pay you $50,000 in return if you give them $1,000 in XRP because that is the cost of the XRP. You will not receive cash. Instead, you will receive the fund's value, so you will have that. Will need to withdraw using that fund, so you request the XRP repurchase. He leaves. In kind, I give you the ETF premium. By 2025, redemption will trade at $250 per share for each underlying XRP. What topic is Chad discussing? Let me expound on this. This truly had to do with what we just discussed. The in-kind model for these monies is shown here. Yes, so why spend more? What is the institutional premium, then? Well, obviously, we blow it up because the fund price is higher than the price of the underlying assets. As an example, the Grayscale XLM fund has a share price of $12.20 and an XML of 87.6 XLM. The price of a single share of GXL is $49.50, allowing you to observe the premium. Alright, you require 87 XLM, which is the comparable cost is roughly $12, or $4,950, one share from Grayscale. Do you regard this as a premium, then? It nearly matches. Quick math, people, you don't pay 12 times these premiums for these investment vehicles. People, you don't believe me? Take a look at the chart now to get some understanding of how much institutions are paying for each Grayscale Solana, which is currently trading at $873 on the premium. This is the mechanism in action here. This does not imply that you simply leave. Hello, Grayscale, this is my entire Solana as of right now. You do realize how much Solana is paying? $148 now. Please give me $1,400 for each Solana. It is ineffective and does not work. In this manner, they will offer you a portion of the share, which you will then have to convert. The institutions aren't stupid, so it's not like you can just go to them and obtain cash at these prices like you're going to make a quick buck. You will then see that's not how this item operates. Just a portion of the appropriate share increases, together with your valuation and share. Down, and your rating drops, but you won't be able to pull an arbitrage here and say, okay, I'll just go buy some Solana. I am planning to go to a share and sell it for $1,400, or I will receive $1,400. I'm going to be able to dump my salad. No, that's not how it operates, please. If you want to discuss how Bitcoin is going to the moon, check this out. Only 8.75000 coins are available for purchase right now between Coinbase and Binance, for a total of $100,000. Not bad, Sailor. At the present price of $10,000 coins, Michael Saylor is set to enter the market, so you don't have to be a rocket scientist to realize we are going to blow up. Does that make sense to all of you? Michael S. is set to join the market for more than 10,000 coins. Currently, there are only 8,700 coins available for purchase between Coinbase and Binance, the two largest cryptocurrency exchanges. What do you think is going to happen to the price of Bitcoin? I still think that we will see a small retracement after this thing goes into full parabolic mode, which is 880,000, 77, 75, 80,000. It all depends on when he executes this. If he tries to execute this now by buying the other 10,000 coins that he wants to get in, you will see a $100,000 Bitcoin. You won't see the little retracement we talked about during halving. Instead, we'll see this thing keep pushing up people and entering that parabolic run. Those are our next objectives. Observe the current events and those who are interested in purchasing these cryptocurrencies.